about to do some pistol lifting. Player with a pistol in his hand. I'll lift my pistol, keep bumping your gums, you fucking Uncle Gum bumpers. My status be the shit, make me lift it up, put the pistol in your faces. I'm not a cheater, I'm faithful. Niggas like starting stuff, slice their fucking Adam's apple open. I'm G, as can be. Touch me, I touch you. I was built for this, foreign car lover. Cock it back, blow your top back. Come holler at me if you tryna get your careers ended. I'm on that type of shit that'll get your wig picked. I went 40 legit, I stay busy. Am asking, who is he? Throw a picnic in a park for me and my wifey. I shed a lots of tears throughout the years. Y'all so old news, I'm new news. I was in the NYC back in 2006. Niggas be serving the hood bricks. I completed 2 of my goals. Lames get fucking laws. It gets real in the field. Lift my pistol, put your motherfucking mouth on the pistol. Pistol, pistol. Lift my pistol, put your motherfucking mouth on the pistol. Pistol, pistol. Lift my pistol, put your motherfucking mouth on the pistol. Pistol, pistol. Lift my pistol, put your motherfucking mouth on the pistol. Pistol, pistol. Young nigga, know a lot of people. Young nigga, receive a lot of money. I'm connected for real. I have the connections, beach chairs, December Christmas reindeers. I'm my wifey's love God. She's my gorgeous goddess. Niggas be hating on me because I'm a pretty boy. Add the pressure to you niggas. I just might get the ghost, pop my toast, cooling in the shade. Lift my pistol, put your motherfucking mouth on the pistol. Pistol, pistol. Lift my pistol, put your motherfucking mouth on the pistol. Pistol, pistol. Lift my pistol, put your motherfucking mouth on the pistol. Pistol, pistol. Lift my pistol, put your motherfucking mouth on the pistol. Pistol, pistol. Y'all niggas not better than me, man.